Hello guys, welcome back. Today I've got the Motorola Edge 70 Pro and I'm going to answer the question, how long will it take to charge your phone from 0 to 50% using 90 watts? With a 90-watt fast charger, the Motorola Edge 70 Pro should charge very quickly in the early phase. So, this is the 0 to 50% range. Typical time from 0 to 50% with this 90-watt charging should take about 10 to 15 minutes, I think. That's the peak fast charging window where the phone accepts the highest power safely. Why so fast? The charging curve is designed like this. Let me maybe draw it for you. So here's the speed, and here's time. As you can see, the speed goes down and the time becomes very long. From 0 to 50% somewhere here, it has maximum power intake at 90 watts. This is the fastest stage. So the stage from 50 to 80% somewhere here, the speed starts slowing. From 80% onward, much slower for battery protection. So in ideal conditions, 10 minutes, normal use, 10 to 15 minutes, warm phone or gaming before charging, 15 to 20 minutes. That's it. Goodbye.